अस्सलाम वालेकुम। डॉक्टर इनाम अगेन। मैं आपको तंग करता रहता हूँ बार बार अपने, लेकिन ये ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जो मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग लगती हैं और मेरा ख्याल है कि ये बड़ा रेयर अक्रेंसेस हैं जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ। 2 सऊदी रिससिटेशन थी, उसके बाद एक सऊदी कोई आर्म फोर्सेस में था जिसको गन शॉट वुंड था स्टर्नम के ऊपर। he was very lucky that he survived. I resuscitated and he was okay till I saw him about 1.5 years later in another aspect. This is very interesting. Today I am going to tell you a case where a Saudi gentleman about 65 years of age, accompanied by his son, he came to me. He said, "Doctor, I have some namla in my ear." Namla is namal, you know, we know the surah namal. So I know I was a little bit speaking Arabic also. So I said, no problem. I just turned him to the right, and with oroscope. Oroscope is a small equipment for the usually used by the ENT, but we had this thing. Sometimes minor things come. Babies come with a bead in the ear. Sometimes there is a cockroach in the ear, and sometimes there are some ants like this. So normally we are removing this. If we could not remove that, then we call the ENT people. But this thing, when I saw in the ear, I saw a scorpion in the left ear. That is very, very surprising. I could never imagine. I just took my head off that and went back and imagined what I am seeing. So then again I went in and I saw a scorpion, this about yellowish looking, cream color looking, and moving his tentacles or arms and legs, and there was this fang like thing, I don't know what you call in the tail, from where this bites, it was there. I could never imagine that a scorpion has gone in the ear. Who has seen that? Even in ENT, people all around the world may not have seen that, but it was there. It was unmistakably there. I told the sister, can you imagine there is what is in the ear? She said, what? I said, scorpion. She just all cried, scorpion, my goodness. Then this gentleman, Saudi gentleman, and his son didn't know the English. They didn't know that what is scorpion. I said, my goodness, you just to call the ENT specialist, let me talk with him. In the meantime, you give me liquid paraffin. So sister connected through the operator. They were connecting those days, late 80s and early 90s. There were no mobile phones, there was no cameras, and they say no recordings. So I told him, you see, gentlemen, because I don't know, Indian or something. I said, you'll be surprised to know there is a gentleman with a scorpion in his left ear. He said, what? I said, scorpion. Scorpion, you don't know scorpion? Scorpion is there. And it's unmistakably, it is there. I could never imagine, but it is there. He said, okay, you don't do anything, I am coming. It normally takes them to come from their home 10 to 15 minutes. And I asked the sister, please, you give me liquid paraffin. I just kept him on this side. I didn't tell him because maybe he will be afraid. I put 3, 4, 5 drops of liquid paraffin in his left ear. I didn't think at that time that this will come out so quickly. I thought maybe it will suffocate something or dies inside, or it will come, but within 5 to 10, 15 seconds, it came out with the tail first and then hind limb, then this thing, and then the boy who was sitting there, he saw it coming out. He cried loud, Agrab! Agrab in Arabic is the scorpion. And this Saudi gentleman also shuddered a little bit. I put my left hand on his chest just to calm him down. And I was not prepared. I didn't have anything to pick that. So this gentleman's, this turban, you know, this red and white squares, every Saudi people they are using it, was lying on this pillow. I just got that in my hand and just catch the scorpion from the back. And I removed it and showed him that this is scorpion. They were surprised. So sisters were surprised. I asked him, there is any pain? He said, no, I am relieved. This is not moving anything. So I just want to tell you that this is normal, not a normal routine. I never in my about 44 or 45 years of passing, I never imagined. I have seen multiple foreign bodies, this and that, but never a scorpion. And I don't know how many people they have seen a scorpion in somebody's ear. So this is a rare occurrence. I thought I must tell you that sometime doctor have to face that. So this is really, you will be surprised also, but this happened really. There was no cameras on those time, no mobile phones. We could not record that, but anyway, it is there. So please keep watching, and I will be coming with you like this. There are many things in one's life. So these are few things which I am telling you. Please take care. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.